back to my channel. I'm so sorry for the bad lightning, but hey, it has been quite a while since I actually vlogged, and now I feel kind of awkward. But anywho, I'm currently in school because it's my convocation week.
I'm just suggesting.
Ross,
My friends,
thank you so much.
just
Sir, all we are about to do.
look at this one. I don't understand. I don't understand. Jeremiah is creating content. I don't get.
Okay, easy. Nítorí sílé tiwa sílé 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 that means. Àwọn boys náà lójú àgbo. Ọlọ́run mo bá. Ọmọ tó dùn tó yín.
Yep. That's what's up. So are you a graduate?
How many of you are graduates?
You're talking to graduates. Where is the other fellow graduate?
I'm a graduate.
Yeah, man.
I won't brought toothpick to the event. In case I see Suya, I know see Suya. You know see Suya, Chum.
I'm currently walking backwards. Where is everybody? Can you imagine? Are you kidding me? You can't walk with you can't walk with these people.
God. Hi guys. This is how I talk now because I'm a graduate. In case you missed it, you can address me as graduate JT. Alright, so in school for we're in school for our convocation, aka graduation, aka adulting, introduction to adulting 101. And I think it started off nicely. Yes, no, today was the first day. Yes, today was the first day. We just finished having the bonfire. Yeah, what did we do? Yeah, oh wait. So, what am I supposed to say? So, what were we saying? Yes, why are you walking like that? Just finished having the bonfire, which was quite nice actually. There was like this fire, and yeah, you know, they called each college to come forward to dance, you know, video making. Then there was free suya and water and drinks as well, but drinks were finished before we got there, so we got water, which is better because water is good for your health. Yes. You don't want your waistline to be in the mud. Yes, okay, you can hear me. All those bottles of yes, we're seeing you. Don't deceive yourself.
Eyes on you.
I'll make a video. This is my right. What am I saying? Yes, okay. We'll see you.
You're switching character for me.
Yeah, so tomorrow we have a baccalaureate, which is kind of like a send forth kind of something. Everybody will come, we'll sing songs, they'll pray for us and stuff. So Saturday is the day, main convocation. We have the normal service, a ceremony, and convocation lecture by the one and only. Don't worry, you know we've given you a lecture. We don't want to jab. Well, it doesn't say because they sit at once. But no, we're hiding the suspense. You see, it's a respectable summary. So yeah, that's it. Then Sunday is Thanksgiving service, and everybody goes back to their house.
You guys know that I've been trying to film this clip or this intro or this video for like 5 minutes now. I'm so tired. I had to wake up by 3:30 to have my bath because I had to make up by 4. I had to get my makeup done by 4. But yeah, the time is currently 5 something. It's almost 6. So it's my convocation. It's my convocation ceremony today. I don't even know how to feel. Like, I actually don't know how to feel. I don't I don't know, but it's my convocation today, and I'm super excited and I'm super grateful to God for bringing me thus far. But yeah, I came to school Thursday. That's 2 days ago. Today's Saturday. I came to school Thursday. We had this bonfire night. We had baccalaureate. We had quite a number of things, and I think those clips will be in before you see this one. I don't know. But yeah, this is my makeup. I'm going to have to put on all the fans in this room because so I don't sweat. I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.
We might not be walking across that stage with the cameras flashing. They've been waiting on our day. It's been a journey, hasn't it? I wouldn't trade a moment. No, I wouldn't change a moment. I'm who I am because of you. Whether we've known each other our whole life or just a year or two. And I'm grateful for the time we put in, getting us to this moment, so we could get to this moment. We may not be throwing our caps in the air, but our spirit will rise anywhere. Remember our hallways filled with memories and friends. I wouldn't trade a moment. No, I wouldn't change a moment. I'm who I am because of you. Whether we've known each other our whole life or just a year or two. And I'm grateful for the good and hard times we've had. They'll get us through life's moments. Yeah, they'll get us through life's moments. Hey. If you're over there feeling a little scared about your brand new start, don't get discouraged. Keep showing your courage, 'cause that's who we are. I'm who I am. And I'm grateful for the time we'll never forget, so we can be this moment.
Oh.